To make this hanging bird feeder, you need a coconut shell and a jute thread. Clean the shells properly in this manner. Now, to hang it, you need to cut 3 long jute threads of equal length. I always like to use a jute thread for this as it is natural and eco-friendly. Make sure the jute threads are strong enough to hold the shell. Make a knot at the end with all the 3 jute threads together as shown. Make a knot at the other end too. Now separate the 3 jute threads and keep the shell between them as shown here. That's it. Our bird feeder is ready now. Isn't it simple? Now that I love the process and there are so many birds in my garden, I'm gonna make one more too. This time a little different. You can add whatever things you want, but make sure it looks natural and simple. Now, find a good spot in your garden, hang them and put some feed into it. Make this beautiful natural bird feeder and invite more wildlife to your garden. Satisfy their thirst and hunger and get some pleasure. If you find this beautiful and useful, follow our Facebook and Instagram pages and get in touch with us.